He related to the Kuch Bihar dynasty, which our Rajmata Gayatri Devi was also princess of Kuch Bihar, the famous name. Let me introduce the Kuch Bihar dynasty. In Satyug, this area and land was called Swargapuri, Indrapuri. There were Apsaras like Menka, Urvasi. Menka was related to Rishi Vishwamitra. He was Kshatriya. And Menka's daughter was Sakuntala. Sakuntala married to King Dushyant, and her son's name is Bharat, the forefather of the Tomars, Kuruvanshi. That's why Arjun denied to Urvasi, because Urvasi was wife of King Yayati, the forefather of Arjun. That's why he denied that you are my grandmother's great grandmothers. I cannot indulge with you. And he got punished. But this punishment worthy worship for him in the Agyatwas. It is Satyug. Then it comes Treta Yug. In Treta Yug, their land called Mithila. From here to upper and up, like China, Nepal, Thailand, and everywhere in the upper side. The king's designation was Janak, not name. Janak is the designation of the king of Mithilas. Mother Sita's father's name was Janak Seeldhwaj. He was not only Janak, he was Janak, 14th Janak of, and name was King Seeldhwaj. Sita married to Lord Ram, the forefather of Solar dynasty, like Garuka, Shekhawat, Kachwaha, Rathod, and etc.
So you are Suryavanshi?
Yes, we are Suryavanshi and related to Alwar dynasty. I am Suryavanshi and related to Alwar dynasty. I am not from Kuch Bihar, I am from Alwar, Baset. He is from Kuch Bihar. We have to talk about Kuch Bihar. In Treta, there were Raja Narakdev, Narakasur. He was Narak Sur, but due to some reason, some peoples, they were against the Kshatriyas, they called Narakasur. King Narak was the son of God Narayan and mother Dhartri. He was Amar. Nobody can kill him. Only his father and mother can kill him. That's why Sri Krishna, he is Narayan, and Satyabhama, he is Dhartri. They killed him due to the Vasishtha. Narak's son was Bhagdat. Narak married to Maya Devi. She was princess of Mumbai. That's why Mumbai called Maya Nagari. Maya Devi and Bhagdat's daughter Bhanumati, she married to Duryodhana due to Bhishma Pitame. Bhishma Pitame was good friend of Bhagdat. Arjun was also good friend of Bhagdat before the Kurukshetra. Chitrangada, also related to this dynasty. She was daughter of the general of Bhagdat and nearest bloodline. Chitrangada's son was Babrubahan. He is Lok Devata in their territory. His name is now Masan Baba. Like Gogaji, Ramsa and Ramdev Ji, Peer, Ramdev Tamar, Gogaji, Hadbuji Sankla, Tejaji Maharaj. That type of he is Lok Devata in the Kuch Bihar territory. In Narak was
Kuch Bihar has any relation with Jaipur?
Prayag Jyotishpur,
Prag Jyotishpur.
Kamrup, Kamtapur. They all are related to Kuch Bihar. Kuch Bihar's earlier name, King Janak, was real, we can say, King Janak caretake Maharaj Narak and Sita. Due to this, Sita and Narak is brother and sisters.
पृथ्वी में से जन्म हुआ सीता का।
Narak is also from Dharti. Narak is also son of Dharti, and Sita ji is also son of Dharti. And who is Palak? पाला पोसा किसने? हुन समाड़ा ने जनक जी. That's why Janak is father of Narak also and Sita ji also. After it, in Dwapar, Prag Jyotishpur, this area called Prag Jyotishpur, Kamrup and Kamtapur, and king's name is Bhagadat. King's name Bhagadat and Princess Chitrangada, Princess Bhanumati. After in this Kaliyug, this area called Kamtapur and Koch Bihar, Kamrup and Kamakhya. Kamakhya is
कामरूप देश मानस को एनिमल बना सकते हैं।
yes, the superpowers is there because this bhumi is Swarga, Apsaraj bhumi, deities bhumi, and the bhumi of the holy peoples. In Kaliyug, king's name is Kamteshwar Maharaj because he was the king of Kamta. That's why he called Kamteshwar. And their Kuladevi is Kamakhya Mata, like our Jamwai Mata, Rathod's Nagnechi ji, Chauhan's Hasa Purwar Sakambrij. Kamakhya Palace.
Jaipur, Kachhawa.
Jaipur. We coming for in Jaipur, but about in this time we are talking about Kuch Bihar. Jaipur is coming now. Maharaja Kamteshwar's after their one general and their Jamidar, his name is Hariya Mandal. His two twins, Hira and Jira. His son Vishnu Singh again coronated to the Kuch Bihar and this place called Koch Bihar. King Janak's dynasty is Nimi and now it called Katoj in Himachal and this areas, but in their area they called Koch because pronunciation. Katoj is now Koch. Koch Bihar means the area where Kochs are residing. Area where Katochs are residing is called Koch Bihar. King Vishnu Singh's son Nar Narayan and Prince Shukladhwaj. Nar Narayan's daughter Chama Devi married to Maharaja Man Singh first in 16th century. Maharaja Man Singh when invaded Bengal and Pathans, King Narnarayan of Kuch Bihar was fully supported with Man Singh and they have organized an army to defend all the countries. They defend all country.
But I want to know one thing. What was the role of Kuch Bihar in time of British Raj?
I am just coming there. Coming in that. Maharaja Man Singh first was also son-in-law of King Koch Bihar. First Man Singh. And Man Singh second is also son-in-law of Kuch Bihar. His wife Gayatri Devi and Man Singh first wife is Chama Devi. Chama Devi got Sati when Maharaja Man Singh's death, natural death. The famous marriage is Man Singh first and Man Singh second with the Solar dynasty of Kachwar. Now Jaipur and Koch Bihar are close relatives because Man Singh first was queen was there and Man Singh second that called Savai Man Singh Ditiya. His wife Maharani Gayatri Devi, the famous queen and the famous leader against Congress She was single lady.
She was jailed by Indira.
Like Indira Gandhi. Now we should come. Elder brother of Gayatri Devi, Maharaja Jagdipendra Narayan Bhoop Bahadur, was the king in the British and in independence area, Iraj. He was king of Cooch Behar. Cooch Behar was not princely state. It was single, a dominion, independent domination. King Jagdipendra Narayan and Savai Mansingh Ditiye and Sayaji Rao Gaikwad was maternal uncle of King Jagdipendra Narayan Bahadur and Gayatri Devi. Gayatri Devi married to Maharaja Savai Mansingh Ditiye. Second, Princess Ila Devi married to King of Tripura. Third, married to Devas. Jagdipendra Narayan and his younger brother Indrajitendra Narayan, they both convinced to the princely states that we have to support British army in Second World War. Why? Because Germany, Japan and Italy, they invaded India due to Subhashji is there. And in Germany and Japan, there is sex free for army. And if they will come here, India have to face such situation. And we are not ready for sex free for the army because we are the son of Lord Ram, Krishna, and we have rich culture. And any woman is very respected to this in country. That's why King Jagdipendra Narayan, in the name of this filthy things, and Queen also promised to King Jagdipendra Narayan that we will go to our country and British India will be free from us. Princely states were not directly under the Britishers. They were in treaty, Dosti treaty. But British India, which was taken by East India Company from the Muslims like Bengal, Calcutta, this Delhi, Lucknow, Tonk, Ajmer, was directly British India. It was only 1/3 part of this greater India. King Jagdipendra Narayan convinced to all kings to send their army in Second World War so that this situation go out and we should be enjoy freedom. This freedom of India not due to Congress, not due to any revolution, only due to we supported British in Second World War, and for this Britishers went to their country, go out from this country. Not only India, but 88 countries were that time under the Britishers. They free all countries.